I needed some steel wire for my minion to make some hair and to wireframe some fingers. And I got this big pile of pretty shiny galvanized steel yard staples, but I also have a whole bottle of 80% vinegar. Would make 5 gallons of vinegar, but what I did is put a bunch of them in a Ziploc bag, and we'll focus in here and you can see the bubbles rising as that acid is eating all the zinc from the galvanization away. You can see some of the tips are rusting, but this will remove, it takes about an hour, hour and a half, and it will remove all of the zinc coating, leaving just the steel wire left. And then I can probably get away with using this for another batch. Let those bubbles go. And the bubbles stop when it's done. And then they'll be safe to weld. And you can kind of see it, there's a little bit of a drip over here, and it smells really strong because I bumped the bag and one of the staples compromised it.